Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Edmund Lin,
And my name is Winnie Ho.
and today we are here to propose a solution to make Estee Lauder a more inclusive brand. Beauty without boundaries. What we believe is that we can assist the colorblind to discover a new world of color. So, let's first dive into the problem statement. The issue that we see here is that colorblind individuals have trouble distinguishing the shades of the colors of the makeup that appears similar to them. And this causes them to find difficulty when they're applying makeup onto themselves. So let's see how we can assist them from here.
Our solution is simple and straightforward, which is bridging the accessibility of colorblindness to all beauty products with a convenient app with a simple interface that is user-friendly and has a lot of useful colorblind features. Introducing Elva, Estee Lauder Virtual Assistant. First, we will arrive at the landing page where users can adjust the contrast of screen with audio description for pictures. So our first function is a customized colorblind filter in which users can choose their specific type of color blindness and filter options. If they want to understand the filter in depth, we provide an explanation for users too. What's great is they can further adjust the chosen filter to fit their individual needs, preview it, and save this filter for future use. So our second function is a color labeling for makeup products. Users can choose accordingly to what makeup category they are interested in and select the specific item they want. Once they reach the product page, they are able to tap on the colors on the palette to view the specific color codes and name of it, which makes the purchasing process a lot easier. Our third function is the tutorials and makeup tips section where users can read articles from professionals in this industry. Last but not least, our fourth function is a colorblind community where users can share their thoughts and discussions about what they are facing and gather inputs from other colorblind users as well.
Okay, so that's for the app introduction. Now let's move on to the business model. So the goal here is not to make instant revenue or supernormal profit, at least not in the short run. Our goal here can be divided into two. Firstly is to create a new brand awareness or brand identity, and second is to acquire more customers. So as you all know, Estee Lauder itself is already an elegant brand and a luxury brand that's known by many. So right now, what we want to try to do is create a new identity, which is that Estee Lauder is also an inclusive brand. It's not really wise to charge a usage fee onto the special needs population, as this will cause a backlash into like, oh, this company is very selfish and inconsiderate. So instead, we'll be doing the extreme opposite, which is to make it completely free for all users, including users of other beauty products, so that we can put the ad name Estee Lauder in the back of their mind. So this is also like marketing. So once we have this wide-scale access, what we can do is that we require them to create an account to try out the filters. So from there, we can collect their data such as their filter preferences and also their product preferences. We can analyze their behaviors and also their preferences to make future business decisions. Now,
So we did a market research on several apps that provides colorblind services in makeup. Most of these apps either require users to connect to a real-life assistant, which may be inconvenient. And some apps only provide a little section catered for colorblind, and other apps are only made available for iOS. Elva will be the first colorblind makeup assistant app with a myriad of services directly targeting the colorblind.
Now, for the marketing strategies, we have 4 strategies to propose. First is to cross-promote with the Estee Lauder's app for the blind and offering incentives to users who download both. And second is that we'll be partnering with influencers who advocates to specialize in the disability or accessibility issues. Thirdly, we'll be exploring some opportunities and partnerships with charity organizations that focus on disability or accessibility issues. And fourth, and last but not least, we'll be creating social media campaigns that highlights our app's features and benefits and tie them back to the company's commitment. And let's look into the phases now. Basically, there's 3 phases. The first phase is a no-brainer, the launch phase. Once the app is fully developed or at least ready enough to reach the market, we'll be launching it to the users. Second is a growth phase where we'll be constantly improving our apps to cater to according to the users' feedback. And third is the data analysis phase where once you've collected enough users' data, We'll be analyzing them and using the insights to make future business decisions. So that'll be all from us. I'm Edmund Lin, the data scientist.
I'm Winnie, the UX designer.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.